Alright, so right now I'm actually going to be uninstalling the RAM that I bought last night right here. I have to take out all the 10 T5 screws around my laptop, and I have to take out the Phillips screws under the hood here to get the laptop released and open. Get this one right here. Okay, so right now we're going to pry open my laptop. I'm just going to use one of my wash cards to do that. We got it. We got the laptop open. Not gonna lie, I was nervous doing that. Okay, so right now we're gonna take out the RAM here. This is the most scariest part. To the side. And there you go, that's it. So that first RAM stick is out. It's gotta pull it out, and there you go. So I'm gonna push this here. I'm gonna push this to the side. And there you go. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the new RAM sticks here. So that's the first one I'm gonna be installing. Slide it in right here, and you just push. And then you just push. Done. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and re-put on the cover. Alright, so just before I call it a night, I did want to read a comment from someone named I Too Hard to Guard. He says, you should do one last would you rather for the culture, skullface. First I was really confused when I read that comment. I'm like, what on earth are you talking about? And he said, wasn't Would You Rather your biggest series on Mystical Prime? Maybe I'm thinking of someone else. And then I said, oh yes it was. I would definitely consider bringing it back. I didn't realize you were referring to that. On my old channel I ran a Would You Rather series where viewers would submit comments and I would answer them in a future video. If you can put 2 and 2 together, you kind of know where I'm getting at. I want to bring that back, so comment down below a would you rather question that you want me to answer in the future. I really do want to bring this series to the channel, so if you don't leave any comments, then it's kind of not possible. Leave a comment, please. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like down below if you guys did enjoy this video, and subscribe if you guys are brand new to my channel. But I'll catch all of you guys in the next